Hello guys, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. Today we are going to unbox Nikon D3400 that comes with the 18 to 55mm lens and the 70 to 300mm lens. It also comes with a premium carry bag and a 16GB memory card. I'm Abhiram from Random Shashi. Let's unbox it. The 16GB SanDisk memory card is attached to the outside of the box. Now let's open the box. When we first open the box, there is a lot of paperwork. Let's put it aside and take a look at the camera. The box contains two lenses, the 18 to 55mm VR lens and the 70 to 300mm VR lens. The box also contains a nice quality strap for the camera. Now let's take a look at the camera body. The camera features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor from Sony. The camera has a 3-inch LCD display. The D3400 supports SnapBridge connectivity feature, which lets you transfer images from the camera directly to your smartphone via Bluetooth. The camera bag is of excellent quality and feels premium to the touch. Let's go outside and test this camera out. You get a total of 11 autofocus points and it supports video recording up to 1080p 60 frames per second. Here are some of the shots I took with the D3400. At 35,000 rupees or $450, the D3400 is still the best entry-level DSLR camera you can get your hands on today. The links to our active giveaways are in the description. Well guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching.